Hello, my name is Orrin Svika, and I am a tutor here at Lakeland. And today I'm going to help you out with the calculator. So today I'll be using the TI-84 Plus, and this is usually the one your instructor requires. Okay, so next I would like to talk about how the calculator outputs some of the things you input. So if we have a really big number, so go ahead and type in a really big number in your calculator. So I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then say multiply it by another really big number. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Sure, I'm gonna press enter. Now the calculator is giving me this really small decimal, right? 1.2, right? That doesn't seem like a very big number. But then it's followed by a whole list of the decimals and then E14. So this is one way of inputting scientific notation, and that e to the 14 is the same thing as multiplying it by 10 to the 14. So if I have 1.219325591 times 10 to the 14, that just means that the decimal is moved over 14 positions. Okay, so multiplying this by 10 to the 14 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. That many decimal places away. So in reality, this is a really big number, but obviously your calculator only has so much room on its screen, right? So that's just one way of making it more compact so that you can see it. When you see e to the 14th, you should know, okay, that's the same thing as multiplying by 10 to the 14th power. So that is pretty much what I have today. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it has helped you.